Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook Gen2. To do that, open the launch menu in the bottom left corner, then open Settings. Scroll down to about Chrome OS on the sidebar and select it. Then open the Diagnostics menu. In the System tab, the first item is battery information, where you can check battery health, cycle count, and current power consumption. You can also run a discharge test to update the data. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.